What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Elamar Deshay, and I'm back with another one. I'm Iowa's finest, flyest, probably healthiest motherfucker coming out of the state. And today we're doing a cooking channel, all right? A cooking video, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Fun fact about me: growing up, all I wanted to do was be a cook. I wanted to be a chef. I used to watch Iron Chef. I used to watch fucking Rachel Ray, goddamn Emerald Lagasse, all that shit. All right, and then I went to culinary school when I was 19. I dropped out after a year. One, because it was too goddamn expensive, and two, I realized that I didn't really want to be a cook like that. You know what I'm saying? I just love to cook for myself, but I don't want to work in no hot, greasy ass kitchen. All right, I did that shit for a few years, and I didn't like it like that. So today we're making goddamn smoothies. All right. I know some of y'all are very unfucking healthy. You like to wake up in the morning and shovel goddamn eggs and pork ass and toast and orange juice down your throat in the morning. Hey, if that's your thing, I ain't judging you. I'm just not doing it. And if you a female, I'm not fucking with you if you eating shit like that. I'm sorry, I'm not, I don't care. So today, we're doing smoothies, all right? I'm probably like a smoothie king. I don't know anybody who can cook better smoothies than me. Not goddamn Winco, not Sam's Club. I don't care if you go to Walmart and try to buy a pre-made smoothie. That shit ain't gonna taste better than mine. You feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all my ingredients, my freezer. All right, prepare to see it. Let's go. All right, as you can see, there ain't shit but some frozen fruit in here, right? We got blueberries. I got about fucking, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounds of blueberries. We got frozen bananas, cherries. We got some peaches. We got some goddamn strawberries. I cut these peaches and strawberries up yesterday because I bought them and I was just gonna eat them fresh, but I didn't eat them quick enough, so they started to ripen a little too fast. So that's a piece of advice for you. If your fruit's starting to ripen too fast, just cut it up and put it in the freezer. I buy bananas by the bunches, and then I'll just cut them up and freeze them. They make your smoothies more creamier, and they just make them taste fucking better. All right. So next, I'll show you what I put in my smoothies. I'm gonna put in a bunch of fruit. You feel me? I also put in hemp seeds, makes it super fucking creamy, and I put in dates. Those are a secret of my smoothies: hemp seeds and dates. I don't know what it is, but the dates just give it that extra creamy texture. And then we're gonna throw in some tahini, which is ground sesame seeds. Please don't try to eat this shit straight out of the container, because you're not gonna like it and it tastes like shit. But when you put it in your smoothies, it almost gives it like a peanut butter texture to it. I mean, I don't really eat too much peanut butter, but if you just wanna buy that, cool, I don't give a fuck. Well, maybe we'll put a little bit of coconut oil in it. This is good. It's some good healthy fats, and it adds some calories. And also, if you out here fucking, coconut oil is the best lube that you can buy. I'm not even joking when I say that, right? Some of these lubricants out here, you don't know what the fuck's in that. I've used coconut oil when I was fucking plenty of times. You can say what you want, all right? But when you balls deep into some pussy, it can get dry sometimes. You've been fucking for goddamn 30, 45 minutes, all right? So grab you some coconut oil. I promise you it's gonna change your life. So yeah, off to the next. I'll show y'all when I blend this shit up and what it look like. So this is what it's gonna come out, you know, and look like. It might look kind of watery, but after making so many of these, you kind of just get a good idea how much water to put in it. And depending on how much frozen fruit you put in it, you might have to put a little bit more of your liquid. I use water. I don't drink milk. I mean, if you want to try almond milk or like coconut milk or oat milk, whatever, cool. But regular milk inside of this, you're just gonna fuck it up. All right. If you want to do that, like I say, do whatever the fuck you want. I don't care. There was one thing that I failed to mention that I put in all of my smoothies, and that is cacao powder. I think that's how it's pronounced, cacao. It's like a chocolate powder. It's real bitter if you eat it straight, but you can use it for like baking. And it's like super fucking healthy. It's a lot better than that bullshit you buy at the store. That ain't no Nestle quick chocolate powder, all right? And then one more thing is agave syrup. I use this. I don't put like sugar or nothing in my smoothies. I just use this. Or you could buy like some date syrup. That shit make that shit hella fucking good. All right, I got this little cheap ass fucking NutriBullet from Walmart. It was like 50 bucks, 50, 60 bucks. It comes with these containers, but these little fucking, see that little thing on the end, that little plastic piece? That's what locks it in there, all right? One thing about these is they gonna break the fuck off as soon as you use it one time. Those little end pieces are gonna break the fuck off. All right, so I'm about to blend this shit up. I don't know if y'all can still see me or not. What up, how y'all doing? Hey, just remember these videos, y'all, because when y'all see me popping in the future, you're gonna be like, damn, I remember that dude making smoothies and shit in his ratchet ass apartment. Oh yeah, update, I finally got a washer. And these raggedy motherfuckers want to put a backsplash in the kitchen before they gave me a goddamn washer and dryer. That don't even make no goddamn sense. And then they want to raise the rent. Man, at this point, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm really thinking about selling all of my shit and buying a fucking van and going to live in that motherfucker. Cause y'all can keep these high ass rent prices in the city. Like I told y'all, I'm from the middle of nowhere where you can rent a goddamn mansion for goddamn $700, but down here you get a goddamn ratchet ass apartment in Roaches for 800 and goddamn 30 bucks. Man, fuck that. All right, y'all, I had to sit down. I took one sip of this goddamn smoothie and it knocked me on my ass. All right, this shit, god damn, this shit tastes like, hey, do y'all remember that taste in your mouth that you got when you lost your virginity? That taste of like heaven? That's what this shit tastes like. Dead ass serious, all right? I hope y'all try out one of these smoothies. I promise you, you will be impressed. You're gonna prefer this over goddamn eggs and bacon every fucking morning of the day, I promise you. I don't eat breakfast. I've literally been making smoothies for probably damn near like 2 years now. I couldn't tell you the last time that I ate fucking pancakes or sausage or waffles in the morning. I just can't do it. That shit slows me down in the morning. Like, so every morning I make a smoothie or I just eat some fruit. Yeah, hope y'all change y'all fucking life and wear condoms. Peace out.